Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new video about nouns and their categories. And in today's episode, we are going to learn about 4 different categories of nouns. Okay, let's start from the very first type, which is a common noun. So पहले तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि common noun होते क्या हैं. Whenever you are talking about any group of people, whenever you are talking about any place or anything, these all are the common nouns. But remember one thing, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं किसी फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल गर्ल की तो वो कॉमन नाउन होगा. बट अगर हम किसी गर्ल का नाम स्पेसिफाई कर देंगे तो इट इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉमन नाउन एनी मोर. सो बेसिकली कॉमन नाउन में आप चीज़ों को ग्रुप में रहने देते हैं, आप चीज़ों को स्पेसिफिक नहीं करते. ओके, and have a look at the examples as well. And the very first example is the teacher gave us homework. So here in this sentence teacher is a common noun because हमने किसी भी teacher का particularly नाम mention नहीं किया. And in the second sentence the park is open until sunset. Here the park is a common noun because हमने park का भी नाम mention नहीं किया, just like Iqbal Park or Jinnah Stadium Park, etc. And in the third sentence the book is on the bestseller list. Here the book is a common noun because we didn't mention the book's name, just like English book, story book or fictional book, etc. So these are the examples of common noun. Let's have a look at the other type of noun, which is proper noun. सो बेसिकली प्रॉपर नाउन जो है कॉमन नाउन से बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट होते हैं बिकॉज इन प्रॉपर नाउन हम लोग पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नाम मेंशन करते हैं, पर्टिकुलरली किसी प्लेस का भी जिक्र करते हैं और किसी थिंग को भी मेंशन करते हैं. बिकॉज प्रॉपर नाउन में हम लोग नेम को मेंशन करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक the name of place is Karachi, the name of person is Qaid-e-Azam and the name of thing is fiberglass. So all these are the examples of proper noun. But let's have a look कि sentences में हम proper noun को किस तरह से use कर सकते हैं. So let's have a look at the examples of proper noun. So the very first example is John is my best friend. Here John is a proper noun as it refers to a specific person. और हम जॉन की जगह कोई भी दूसरा नेम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक सारा और अली. इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल आई लिव इन न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. हियर न्यूयॉर्क सिटी इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन एज इट रेफर्स टू अ स्पेसिफिक सिटी. अब आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस करनी है कि वेन एवर वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट एनी प्रॉपर नाउन we have to write the first letter capital because वो किसी का नाम होगा, वो किसी का नाम हम लोगों ने mention किया हुआ है. That's why we have to write the first letter always capital. Now we will learn about the two types of nouns, which are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And in this video we are going to learn about the difference between both of them. So the very first point about countable noun is they can be counted individually, just like 1, 2, 3, glass, plate, knife, etc. But on the other hand, in uncountable noun, they cannot be counted individually. You cannot count water or happiness or sadness, etc. In the second point, we will learn that the countable nouns have a plural form, just like cat, 2 cats, just like spoon, 2 spoons. But on the other hand, in uncountable nouns, we do not have a plural form of water or of tea, coffee, milk and juice, etc. Now have a look at the last point of countable and uncountable noun, which is the countable nouns can be used with articles a, an or the, just like the book, the chair, a book, an egg, etc. And on the other hand, uncountable nouns often used with articles the, just like the water, the happiness, the anger, etc. So these all are the types of nouns. Hope you like the information. Thank you so much for watching my video and stay tuned for more knowledgeable videos. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.